The first step is optional, but if the car is new or new to you, it's a good idea to clear your old codes. Do this by turning the key to position 2 and then holding Homelink buttons 1 and 3 for about 20 seconds. After approximately 20 seconds, the LED will blink rapidly to let you know that all the codes are clear. After clearing the old codes, it's time to program your desired Homelink button. Press and hold the button that you'd like to code, in addition to pressing and holding the garage door opener. The LED will blink slowly once it has grabbed the garage door code, and then it will blink faster after that if you have a rolling code. So here you can see it begins to blink slowly, and then right after that it blinks quickly. So if you have an older garage door in step 2, you'll see that the LED will blink slowly and then turn off. This means that your program is done and accepted, and your garage door opener Homelink button should be operational. If your LED blinked quickly at the end of step 2, there are additional steps for you to take in order to make your Homelink button work. You're going to need to use a ladder or an excellent vertical leap to press the Learn button on your garage door motor. Once pressing the button, you have about 60 seconds to get back in the car, press and hold the same Homelink button that you're programming, and the LED will blink and then ultimately turn off when it's completed. The Learn button is located on the side of most garage door motors. Once you press the Learn button, you have about 60 seconds to get back in the car, press and hold the button that you're trying to program. The LED will blink and then stop blinking, and then the garage door will usually blink to indicate that it's learned, and then it's operational.